Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here for a quick tip on when you lift up on this arm, it spreads it apart. And I can slide it up and down. I get it to where I want it. I snap this down, it locks back in place. This rotates. Now instead of the handheld shower floating in the breeze, I can put it into the arm. Now I can aim it anywhere I want. I'm in my buddy's shower. He's got a handheld shower that he's holding in his bar. So we're going to show you how to make this a lot more usable. So we're in a shower stall that already has some grab bars installed. We have a handheld shower, which is okay. Found that Moen makes an interesting little hanger. And what it is just a little plastic arm that's going to grab on to the grab bar, and it's going to hold the shower arm. This thing is cool. It's got a little nut on one end. You undo the nut, you pull the arm out, and you pull the center out, and you got this little U-shaped clip, and you can snap around the grab bar. I take the little Moen bracket and the arm, and you'll notice it's got two flat spots here and two flat spots on the bracket. So when you put it in and through, you have to line up the two flat spots. So I get this on like this. You make sure you line up these two flats, because if they're not lined up, this nut won't start. You get the nut on. You tighten up. You don't have to tighten up real tight. Interesting concept they have here. When you lift up, it loosens it so you can move it up and down. When you lift up on this arm, it spreads it apart. And I can slide it up and down. I get it to where I want it. I snap this down, it locks back in place. This rotates. Now instead of the handheld shower floating in the breeze, I can put it into the arm. Now I can aim it anywhere I want. If I happen to be in a chair, I can have it down low, squirt it on me. So it's kind of a interesting little handheld shower arm hanger designed to grab onto a grab bar. Quick tip, MrHardware.com, to make your elderly friends and parents more comfortable in their old age.